When you're creating presentations for school and you're inserting images, you want to make sure that you're using images that you actually have the rights to use. One way to do that is to use images that are licensed by Creative Commons. You will notice sometimes these different symbols or these different letters by an image, and that is letting you know that the image is licensed by Creative Commons and what type of license it is. It will show you the different rights that go along with each of the different types of licenses. You can search for Creative Commons images, though, by just doing a regular Google image search. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that. If you are in Google and you click on Google Images, you can do a search. So we can search again for Sagrada Familia. Once you get the search results, you do need to make another change. You're going to click on Tools at the top and switch usage rights to Creative Commons licenses. Now your search results will be filtered to those that have Creative Commons licensing. If you click on an image, you can open it up in the source where the image is coming from. So I'm going to go ahead. I really like this image. I'm going to copy it and paste it into my presentation. The problem is you still need to provide an attribution, like where you got the image from, to give it credit. So it's a little bit more work when you're getting it from Google Images, but you need to find the title of the image, if there is one, so we can see if there's a title. It's Sagrada Familia 01. So I'm going to go ahead and I will take this title, paste it in my presentation. Since it's the title of the image, I'm going to put it in quotes. The next thing I want to try and find is if there is the name of a creator. So we can see down here that it was made by Bernard Gagnon. The third thing is we want to put the source or what website we got the image from. And it's from Wikimedia Commons. And I'm going to also copy the hyperlink, the URL for it. So got it from Wikimedia Commons. And then I'm going to highlight Wikimedia Commons, go ahead and add a hyperlink to the Wikimedia Commons page where I got it from. And the last thing we need to find is the license type. What kind of Creative Commons license? So if I look here, I can see that it is a Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 3.0. Oops, I accidentally clicked. Creative Commons, so I can even just copy this Share Alike 3.0. This is the shorthand term for CC by SA 3.0, but even if you get what they're calling it on the website, that's fine, however they have it. Again, you can make this smaller so it's not distracting for your presentation, but you should have the attribution right next to the image that you're using whenever possible. So this is a full citation. Sometimes it won't be as easy to find all of the pieces of information for the attribution. So just find as much as you're able to find to put next to the image.